Navigating Success in the Age of AI, a 5-episode series by the Growth Compass. Have you ever wondered if using AI tools is actually helping you learn or quietly making you lazy? Last year, I saw a student prepare for an exam using Perplexity for the first time. Within seconds, he got summaries, arguments, even model answers. He looked amazed and a little too relaxed. That's when I realized this generation isn't just learning, it's learning with machines. But here's the truth. It's not the tool that defines you. It's how you use it. Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, they can expand your mind or shrink your effort. You could let them think for you or make them help you think better. The most successful learners use AI as an assistant, not a substitute. They still take notes, ask hard questions, and reflect after every study session. Because when AI does the work, you might pass the exam, but when you do the thinking, you grow for life. So ask yourself, is AI your crutch or your coach? Let me tell you about a student I once mentored. He got his first college allowance, and within 2 days, half of it was gone. Snacks, new headphones, small indulgences. By week 3, he was borrowing money to survive. When I asked what happened, he said, "I don't even know where it all went." So I suggested something simple. Use AI to track it. He started logging every rupee into a free budgeting tool and even asked ChatGPT, "How do I save money as a student?" The advice was basic, but it worked. Within 2 months, he didn't just have savings, he had control. What he learned is something most people realize too late. Money isn't about income, it's about awareness. The discipline to manage 1,000 rupees, well, is the same discipline that can manage 100,000 rupees later. For students today, financial discipline isn't just about budgeting. It's about building self-respect. When you control your spending, you start controlling your life. Success rarely follows a straight line. There were times I met students who felt completely lost, unsure of what to study, what to pursue, or who to become. That's when I introduced them to a simple idea, the Growth Compass. It has 4 points. Attitude, your mindset in the face of challenge. Tools, how wisely you use what's available. Books, mentors, AI. Habits, the small routines that quietly build consistency. Purpose, the why that pulls you through distraction. When one direction fails, you recalibrate, not quit. That's how navigators travel. That's how students grow. Discipline keeps you from drifting. Purpose keeps you moving forward. AI will replace our jobs. Using ChatGPT is cheating. You've probably heard those. But AI is not the enemy. It's the environment. It won't replace people. It will replace patterns. When students fear AI, they stop exploring. But when they understand it, they start growing. AI can't create emotion, intuition, or wisdom. That's still your advantage. So use AI like this. Ask Perplexity to research ideas, then summarize in your own words. Use Gemini to quiz yourself, not to copy answers. Chat with ChatGPT to prepare for interviews, but always add your personal story. Speed is what AI gives you. Meaning is what you add. Together, that's power. AI will keep changing. Tools will evolve. But the skills that never go out of style are curiosity, adaptability, and empathy. I tell students this often. You can't future-proof your career, but you can future-proof your mind. Use AI to build these habits. Let Gemini guide your daily reflections. Ask ChatGPT for creative prompts to stretch your imagination. Use Perplexity to track global trends and learn something new every day. But always balance screen time with stillness, because clarity comes in quiet moments. Try this, a 7-day skill challenge. Learn one small thing daily. Use AI to assist, but track your learning manually. This is the Growth Compass, a space for learners, dreamers, and change makers to grow with reflection, discipline, and purpose. In this new age of AI, remember, technology can guide your path, but only you can walk it. So stay curious, stay grounded, and keep navigating your own success.